In a totally made-up survey of 100 St. Mary's College students, 60 said they loved Game of Thrones, 46 said they loved The Bachelorette, and 12 said they loved both. How many loved neither show? So we can actually use Venn diagrams and the methods that we've been learning to attack a problem like this. So before we make a Venn diagram, let's translate some of this stuff into sets. So I'm going to let G be the set of students who loved Game of Thrones, and so the number of elements in G is 60. Similarly, I'll let B be the number let B be the set of students who loved The Bachelorette, so the number of elements in B is 46. And then 12 loved both, so if I love both Game of Thrones and The Bachelorette, then I'm in the set G intersect B. So the number of elements in G intersect B is 12. And now we can make a Venn diagram and fill it in using this information. So here's my universal set of the 100 St. Mary's students that I surveyed. Here's the set G, and here is the set B. Okay, so let's start filling some stuff in. So remember, we work from the inside out on these. So the number of elements in G intersect B is 12. So there's 12 right there in the intersection. That means in G total we need 60. So that means 60 minus 12 is the number that goes right there, and 60 minus 12 is 48. Similarly, to figure out the number of elements in that set, we have to do 46 minus 12, which is 34, right? So that way there are a total of 46 elements in B. And then finally, let's figure out the number in the outside here. So we know that I surveyed 100 students, so if I add up all four numbers, I should get 100. So let's just do some algebra over here. 48 plus 12 plus 34 is equal to, well, that's 60 plus 34, that's 94. So the number of elements in G union B is 94, and so that means the number of elements in the outside, since the total has to be 100, is 6. And so therefore we've answered the question. How many students love neither show? 6 students loved